There is nothing better than eating an apple on a beautiful sunny day. It's summer and so wonderful to have your fruit trees producing. Just walking in the orchard is so relaxing until you see brown spots. The codling moth larvae feed on the fruits, leaving dark brown blotches where the fruit is starting to decay. We often call them apple worms. They are major pests to apple and pear crops, and also walnuts. They are widespread throughout North America and, well, the rest of the world too. The adult is a small brownish gray moth. Eggs are laid directly on the fruit or on branches of the tree. They hatch in 5 days. There can be several generations each year. The larvae hatch from eggs and bore into the fruit. It takes only 45 minutes for the larvae to get to the center of the fruit, where it chews on the seeds. This effectively stops the fruit from growing. The caterpillar grows bigger and eventually leaves the fruit to go build a cocoon around itself to morph into its adult form. This takes anywhere from 10 to 20 days, depending on the weather. So, what can we do to control and get rid of the codling moth? You can start by reading my book on fruits. Hi, I'm Amy, and welcome to my channel where I talk about organic gardening and wildlife conservation. You can check out my books on Amazon. So, let's talk solutions. First, use sticky traps in your orchard to monitor for and catch the adults. Pheromone traps for codling moths can be found on Amazon. These attract the males. You can also use the traditional yellow sticky traps, which are geared towards a wide range of insects. Here is a homemade recipe for a codling moth trap. Fill a plastic half-gallon jug with 1/2 cup vinegar, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1/8 teaspoon ammonia, and 3 cups of water. Cut a 1/2 inch hole in the jug just below the shoulder. A small hole will help keep out butterflies. Pour in a couple of inches of the mix. Hang the bottle upright in the tree, tied by the top. Codling moths will be attracted to the odors. Hang traps from early May through September in easy to reach locations so that you can remove them and remove the moths and refill the sweet mixture. This mixture should not attract your honeybees or local beneficials, but keep in mind it may attract yellow jackets and wasps. As organic gardeners, we want to welcome nature into the orchard. Woodpeckers, like this downy, eat codling moth at all stages and can root out the pupa hiding under the bark. Nuthatches will also prey on codling moths. Growing varieties with early ripening times can help avoid them. So, varieties such as Gala, Jonathan, and Lodi are good. And also, thin your apples. We have talked about this in my growing fruit and growing apples videos. Thin apples so they are 6 inches from each other. This helps control pests and gives the apples space to grow. Thin the apples when they are the size of a walnut and look for any with brown spots and remove them first. Keep a clean orchard and pick up any fallen fruits. I'm a big fan of chickens to help control insect populations. I have a free download on the website of my orchard maintenance schedule, and you can also check out my orchard maintenance video. Keep in mind that sprays are ineffective once the larvae have burrowed into the apple. So we really want to be watching for the adult moth and controlling them before they start laying eggs. I hope this video has been useful. Please boop that like button to help me grow and subscribe for more organic gardening tips. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.